Are you worried that you and your teens have fallen into unhealthy eating habits and you don't know how to climb out from this place of overwhelm? Are you struggling to tame their junk food addiction? Then this is the channel for you. On this channel, you will receive advice, tips and tricks to help you and your teens move your eating habits to a healthier platform with a more beneficial relationship with food. This will give you significant lifelong health benefits for you and your family, and it will move you towards a proactive way of taking care of yourself. Say goodbye to rushed ready meals, empty calorie pizza and pasta and unhealthy snacks. I'm Davis-Munro, single mum of 3 children with over 20 years experience in the field of health, well-being, physical education and food. I speak from personal and professional experience, and I have a bounty of ideas to get you and your teens experiencing food like you never have done before and building and strengthening your bonds in the process. If this sounds like something you need, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on my new videos.